Are you tired of pesky skin issues? Want to boost your overall wellness? Let's talk about daily antifungals. Daily antifungals can significantly enhance your skin health. They combat common infections like athlete's foot and ringworm. Enjoy clearer, healthier skin that boosts your confidence. Next, they improve your digestive health. Fungal overgrowth can disrupt digestion. Daily antifungals restore balance in your gut, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. Antifungals also strengthen your immune system. Regular use helps your body fight off infections more effectively. By reducing fungal load, your immune system stays focused on other threats. Another benefit is reduced allergic reactions. Fungal spores often trigger allergies. Using daily antifungals minimizes your exposure to these allergens, leading to fewer symptoms. Lastly, they provide an overall wellness boost. Daily antifungals help prevent infections, uplift your mood, and increase energy levels. Feeling good means living life to the fullest. That's it, the top 5 benefits of daily antifungals. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Stay healthy. See you next time.